Welcome to DLM Distribution, DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2020 white Transit Connect with a Mini-T conversion. You can see it comes with shore power plug, hitch, refrigerator, some lighting, sink, microwave, privacy curtain in the front. There's the couch that folds out into a bed. This one also has the overhead storage console. Leather seats. Remote start, navigation. 2000 watt inverter. TV, DVD player. That flips up into a little table. And here's the couch in the 43 by 72 inch bed. Give us a call, 651-285-7089, or check out our website, www.dlm-distribution.com. Happy camping!